And with back to school just days away, and Toronto Public Health is warning parents to get their kids' vaccinations up to date or risk suspension. With more than 100,000 students have been flagged for missing measles records, and the clock is ticking. Officials with Toronto Public Health say the warning couldn't be clearer. More than 100,000 notices went out in June, telling parents their child's measles vaccine record is missing or incomplete. And without it, kids could be sent home from school.
In June, we assessed the records, and there were about 140,000 students who were not up to date with their measles vaccinations. And so we sent out 140,000 letters in the summer. So many parents have those letters, and those are letters they should start acting on as well.
Students are required to have certain vaccinations, including measles, mumps, rubella, and whooping cough. For kids born after 2010, chickenpox is also on the list. TPH says without proof of those shots, students can be suspended for up to 20 days.
These vaccines have good track records. They're well used, well studied, and have proven to be very safe. They also work very well.
The focus this fall is on grades 2 through 5, after Toronto Public Health found low rates of measles vaccine records in those age groups. The crackdown comes as Ontario battles a measles outbreak, with cases concentrated among people who aren't immunized.
If there is an exposure at a school, so say someone at a school comes down with measles, the whole school then will be considered exposed or at risk, and anyone who is not up to date with their vaccinations or not immune will be excluded right away from the school setting.
Toronto Public Health says exemptions are allowed for medical or religious reasons, but warns that the vast majority of students need to be protected. Officials add vaccines are available through doctors or at community clinics. But one key reminder, parents, not healthcare providers, are responsible for reporting updated records to the city. And health officials warn if students aren't up to date, they could be out of school for weeks.